gonna spray a little bit of this dirty spray to give it a bit of hold since I'm not using an elastic. Very hardcore. So you're gonna take the 3 sections, under, and then under. So by not running your fingers through, it creates another braid down here at the bottom. Once there is just a teeny tiny hole, you're just gonna flip it through. So I also like to loosen it up. It gives it some good texture, but at the same time, not pulling it. So in the end, this is your look. I'm gonna try and get most of it pretty much just straight back. Just with my hands. I don't like to use a brush, but if you have a ton of hair, I get it. And then I want my ponytail in the end to be a bit higher than it is where I start. So I'm starting here. So as I pull the ponytail apart, I'm going to tilt my head back, and I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get all of the lift that I want. That is how I want my pony to look. All right, so you're gonna line up your comb with your eyebrow, go straight back, and then right in basically the middle of your eye, you're gonna go straight back again, leaving you with a side part. Prep this section here with a little bit of this spray for some hold. So how we're gonna do this is you start at the very bottom or the very front, and you're gonna take it into 3 sections. So what I tell myself is always to go under and under. Then you're gonna grab little tiny baby pieces, and again, under, and you're gonna add more. Under, so just keep it going. I'm gonna pick up the pace, but again, telling yourself, just go under, under, then I'm gonna secure it with a little baby elastic. You also can use a bobby pin and just kind of tuck it in if you don't have a tiny elastic or you don't like how it looks. All right, I'm gonna loosen it up. There you go. Little braided part.